Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got another maintenance manual, but this one is Superior Coach. So Superior School Coach, this is the maintenance manual for Superior Coach. The bus on the front cover is obviously an Ohio bus. You got stop state law, and it looks like it's got a Ford chassis, and the same bus is on the back, and it says Superior School Coach. So on the first page, we've got how to keep the buses rolling, and then your table of contents in this manual, and it shows you everything that's in the manual. Down here we got a picture of what I assume is a salesman and somebody picking up their bus, or it's two salesmen talking, I don't know. Still pretty cool picture. Actually, it says right here, when you operate a Superior, you have the best. Your Superior dealer helps you keep it that way. So, next we've got initial inspection, which would pretty much be your delivery inspection, I guess, and initial maintenance. You got a picture here of the outside of a Superior, and it looks like, let's see. So the description for that photo is Superior dealer supplies on-site maintenance check. So you got your list on what to check when the bus is delivered. Proper care and regular checkups. Service and periodic maintenance. And then you have your picture here working with the entrance door and, lubricating it and keeping it in operational order. Let's see. We got a picture here for the entrance door and the opening mechanism. Let's see, emergency door tells you what you need to do. Electrical system, you got a picture of the switch panel, and you've got your access to the warning lamp controls right up at the top. There's your switch panel tilted down to access all of the wiring and stuff that's behind it. And then in this picture it shows you where you can open that little door by pushing a button. And then warning lamp controls and wiring seem to be behind that door after you push that button. And then here's your body wiring diagram. And then here's a troubleshooting checklist. And you've got a picture of a Superior body down there. Kind of looks like it's based with a older GM chassis. And underneath it's got the different points that are being pointed out on the diagram. Next you've got a section on the floor. Tells you what and what not to clean it with. Let's see, driver's lap belt adjustment. There's your picture of the driver in the seat with the lap belt, of course. Moving on, we've got replacement of glass. So that's just kind of walking you through how to replace the glass. There's your picture of the windshield in the process of replacing it. Let's see, what's that? And then there's the front. You can see they're taking the windshield out. So there's a lot of text behind this. Which I will say, when I do these, it's more of an overview than it is a word-for-word look at everything. A lot of the reason why I film these reviews is to show the pictures more than anything, because you're not going to find these pictures anywhere else. So there's your picture installing rear glass. Let's see, we got a picture there. Let's see, what does it say? Setting glass in the strip to place, and then here's a picture of installing the glass. Over here we've got a picture of replacing a split sash window. Right there we've got installing new glass in drop sash. And then, let's see, what's this right here? Bleeding heater system before adding antifreeze. So this goes on to like the heaters and all that kind of stuff. So that's what that picture relates to. And then we've got, let's see, bus warm-up period. That kind of talks you through warming up the bus. Then it looks like there's a little troubleshooting list there. We got a picture here of access to the defroster motor, because this is under heater maintenance. And then we've got removing the first aid kit tray. So there's the picture of that. Let's see, removing motor and blower assembly. And then we've got removing blower at the rear of heater. And then removing the front heater panel. And then we've got more heater related pictures here, just showing you different panels to be removed and stuff like that. Let's see, removing the core, and then removing the blower or fan and motor. Over here, let's see, single fan under seat heater. These are pictures for the under seat heaters, like that's a seat frame right there. Let's see, what's that one? Access to motor fan assembly. So those are just your pictures to show you how to get to the seat heaters. And then, let's see, windshield wipers, electric. This picture is showing you access to the left side wiper, access to the right side wiper motor. And we got a picture right there. That says, superior dealer in typical maintenance situation. So that's just kind of showing you them at the back of the bus, doing a typical maintenance thing. So on the front of the back cover, we've got operating and safety guide for school bus operators. You've got equipment check. I'll sit there for a second if you guys want to pause to read it. Let's see, operating rules. You guys can read along if you like. There's a lot here, sorry. And then we've got people discipline. Let's see, accident procedures. And then down at the bottom, you've got your Superior Coach Division logo and the Scheller Globe Corporation, Lima, Ohio. And then that's the back cover. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of these photos and some of the stuff in this manual. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and yeah.